salamat po muli St. Joseph Band 98. Muli po maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak at ang inyong partisipasyon kahit galing pa kayo ng Bailen, St. Joseph Band 98. Ngayon din, taos puso tayo nagpapasalamat sa ating ama at ina ng maitinis ngayong taong ito, Ginoong Ronald Diaz and Ginang Maricar Chavez Granados. Okay po. So, habang naantay po natin ang resulta ng mga nanalo ngayong parada ng banda 2025. Nais ko po muna ulit sabihin sa inyo ang naging kriteria ng pagpili ng mga mananalo ngayong taong ito. Para sa drum major competition, ang kriteria natin ay performance, execution 30%, relevance of arm, hand, and signal 20%, proper and appropriate attire and costume 20%, marching and body language connectivity 30%, a total of 100%. For the group majorette, na kanina po ay ginudge na din habang kayo ay nagpaparada. Choreography 40%, simultaneous 30%, technical execution 20%, audience impact 10%. For the color guard competition, movement and technique 30%, coordination 20%, timing and rhythm 50%, a total of 100%. For the marching band, simultaneous on start and stopping 25%, exact and accurate on cadence 25%, consistent distancing on planking 25%, appropriate body movement and discipline 25%, a total of 100%. For the best in uniform, the criteria for judging, color and style 30%, appropriate and decency 20%, cleanliness and tidiness 20%, consistency from head to foot 30%, a total of 100%. For the tone and best tone and quality, the criteria is choices of music, marches piece 20%, intonation and timbre 30%, balance tone and dynamic 30%, proper speed and timing 20%, a total of 100%. May we invite some band to proceed this patio?